My name is Gil. I've been selling high-end kitchens for the last 17 years. I started off as a part-time job while I was going through college, and it tended to be something that I love to do. I started selling just refrigerators and ended up moving into the high-end kitchen. I left a competitor to come to Universal because they actually have an elegant showroom. They have more to display, they buy in bulk, and they have availability of product. We display the Fisher Paykel 36-inch induction cooktop. We actually installed it to be seamless, so it's going to be a flush installation. You can do that in your house. It's easier to maintain, easy to clean, and very fast cooking, fast boiling point, and a lot more cookware is now being made for all the induction cooktops, ranges, and so on. If you like the Fisher Paykel cooktop, come visit us at Universal Appliance and Kitchen Center. My name is Gil. I'll gladly help you.